Hi guys, my name is Sonis and today I'm going to unbox a Wragler RC Jeep. On the other side of this box you can see here many other models RC cars like Hummer car, Lamborghini, Ferrari and many other cars. So let's unbox this Jeep. It is locked with cello tape. Let's cut it. So ladies and gentlemen, here is our RC Jeep. You can see here the looking is awesome. This is the miniature model of Wragler Jeep. You can see here the steerings and the interior, and the build quality is also good. So at first we have to insert this battery. You have to put 3 double-SH batteries in the car. After inserting the battery in the car, you have to insert 2 double-SH batteries in your remote. So everything is ready. Then you have to power on the car. Simply on it and the car is ready to go. And when you put batteries in the remote, then the remote is already ready. When its headlight glows, it looks amazing. So let's go outside and test it.